85 Chevy K10, nice solid old square body from out in Washington. See, we're going 55, quarter tank of fuel, 10 gauge just starting to come up. Pretty solid old cab, a little bit of wind noise, but not horrible. Going down the road really nice, see steering wheel nice and straight. Bolts to it or anything. Pretty good bump, so you heard a few rattles, but it's pretty good bump there too. So. Like I said, power brakes, power steering, 305, all appears to be pretty original. Repaint on the truck, I guess the seat cover's been redone, and it's got a cover layer in the dash, so kind of just a good driver quality truck that is affordable. Affordable as square bodies go. I've been in the car business 37 years, so I sold a lot of these for $5,000, but that was 30 years ago. Go up the corner here and I'll show you the brakes. Transmission shifts good, clutch works, e-brake works.